Hello everyone, welcome to the American Jedi channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the ChargePoint Charger Plus Flex, Home Flex. And I wanted to show you the complete installation. Got it yesterday, got it installed today, and I wanted to show you what kind of charge rate I was getting. Looks like right now I'm getting 23 miles an hour at 36. It's been fluctuating between 36 and 37 amps. The ChargePoint can handle 50 amps. I'm not sure why my car has slowed down to 36. It never got up to 48. I don't know if that's just kind of a safety feature or what. It's at 60% now. I know sometimes it throttles down at 60%, but even when it was below 60%, it was still looking at 36 amps. So I don't know if that's just the car or if that's the charger, but yeah. So looking at everything, let's go ahead and get out and look at the setup. Electrician literally just left, so you can see here this green light fluctuating means it's charging, and then the solid blue light that's fluctuating on the ChargePoint station. The cable is 23 feet, so it's long enough to reach over here to the other side. No matter how I park in this garage, really, it's going to reach the whole garage. But this is the blue light. It is connected to my Wi-Fi. The charging receptacle locks in here so that it's kind of out of the way. And it is currently plugged into the 240 volt, which I just had installed. And you can see how he did it here. Pretty much came through here. Came underground here. And then he had to go through my soffit up here. And this is wired to my box in the laundry room, which he had to go into the attic to drop a wire down to connect everything. So that's pretty much the setup. I'm really happy with it, really happy with his work. And yeah, so yep, that's pretty much it. So end of video, and you guys take care. Have a wonderful day.